Hi, everybody.
Hey, thanks for continuing to show and tell us all about all the things that you do to stay active, both on Seesaw and on the Google Form.
We like hearing about all that exercise you're getting. This week, we want you to keep working on really getting exercise, working on building those fitness levels. But this week, we're also going to add in some skill practice and skill focus.
In doing some basketball and
Now,
basketball shooting to be exact, Mrs. Brink.
yes. And here's the thing, we know that a lot of you have some equipment and some things at home, and a lot of you don't. And basketball shooting is going to be different at home than it would be at school when we have the space and the equipment. But we have some ideas for some ways that you can still practice, and we want you to do the best you can with the things you have. One of the ideas we have is if you have a hooded sweatshirt, we are going to make that into a basketball today. You're going to take the sweatshirt and slide it all inside the hood. And then when I first did it, the sweatshirt kept falling out of the hood. So I have found if you have a sweatshirt with a hood with strings, if you tighten those strings, it makes a wonderful, give it a little bow tie there. It makes a wonderful basketball for you to practice with. So you can go ahead and make your own basketball at home. You also, if you have a basketball, obviously that would be great to use. If you have some other type of ball, like a playground ball or a soccer ball, you could use that to work on your shooting form.
Now, what we are going to have you think about is the word beef. B-E-E-F. And the B in beef stands for balance. You've got the ball balanced in your hand. You've got your elbow, E, 90-degree bend. You've got your eyes looking at your target, looking at the hoop. And then the F is for follow through. You're going to shoot up and see how Mrs. Brink's wrist has that nice curve in it. Sometimes we call it a goose's neck, a gooseneck. Now, we have some challenges for you to try.
One of the challenges is you can take your sweatshirt ball and you can practice shooting at a spot on the wall. So I have that beef, my balance, my elbow, my eyes, and then I'm working on that follow through as I shoot. So pick a spot on the wall and work on that shooting form.
Well, our second challenge is you'll be laying down on the ground, still thinking about that good beef, and you're going to shoot the basketball up in the air and catch it. Really look at Mrs. Brink's wrist, how she's flicking her wrist and getting that good gooseneck.
Another thing you can do is pick a spot on the floor or get a laundry basket and work on your shooting that way, or even like a chair. You could use a chair to aim at and work on that good form. Oops, I missed my chair. And then trying to land your sweatshirt basketball into that basket or onto that chair. That's
Now,
another way to practice.
and some of you, you might even have your own basketball hoop, or you might be able to go someplace and shoot some baskets, and that would be another great way to practice as well.
While you're getting your exercise this week, see if you can find some opportunities, be creative, and work on some basketball shooting as well.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.